Hello, today we will guide you through how to see news on FX Replay. In this walkthrough, we'll quickly navigate to the chart area in FX Replay and show you where to find the news section. This is helpful when you want to view market-related information directly from your testing environment without searching around the platform. To begin, open FX Replay and go to the Getting Started page. This serves as the entry point for the workflow shown here. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure everything is fully visible so it's easier to follow the next clicks. From there, click on Testing. This will take you into the testing area of the platform where you can access your practice or replay environments. If you don't immediately recognize the layout, just look for the main navigation option labeled Testing and select it. After you enter the testing section, click on Sessions. The Sessions area is where your available testing sessions are listed. This is the place you'll use to open an existing session and continue into the chart view. If you have multiple sessions available, make sure you choose the one you want to work with before moving on. Next, click on Go to Chart. This opens the chart connected to that session and brings you into the main workspace where analysis and replay activities happen. Depending on your connection or browser speed, it may take a moment for the chart to fully load, so give it a second if needed. Once you're on the chart screen, move your attention to the top right area of the interface. There, click on News. This is the option that lets you see the news within FX Replay. If you've been looking for a simple way to bring up relevant news information while working on your chart, this is the control you'll use. And that's it. To see news on FX Replay, you simply go to the Getting Started page, open Testing, select Sessions, enter the chart with Go to Chart, and then click News in the top right corner. As a final tip, if you don't see the option right away, check that you're fully inside the chart workspace and not still on the Sessions page. Keeping an eye on the page header and layout can help you confirm you're in the right place. Thanks for following along, and you should now be able to access the news section in FX Replay with ease.